Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna be putting post-it notes in my book for guidance and behavior of children. It's guiding the behavior of children for my textbook. And right now that's probably the only thing I can do unless I work ahead, and pretty much working ahead is better for me, but I know that's not the right thing to do if you don't know what you're doing. So, yeah. Oh, I can take the quiz again. I took a quiz yesterday that was supposed to be done for next week, but since I had nothing to do, why not just do it? And the scoring is so weird. Like, each question is 0.2 points. And I just, like, what? How can you do that? And then my score comes out to 1.6 out of 2. Like, what? Did I pass or did I not? Like, I'm not used to the point system of not using actual numbers. Because I was taught in middle school that anything less than a 0 is not an actual number. I was taught that 0 wasn't a number. I was taught that in 7th grade. I was like, that makes sense. Because if you add anything to 0, it's the same number. So it kind of makes a little sense. But anything less than 0, it makes no sense. Like, I don't know. So, I only got 2 questions wrong. That's the weird part. So I guess let's take this quiz again. If you hear that scratching noise, that's my cat scratching on the cat post. Or cat tree, whatever the actual term is. Where are you going, Max? You don't know? That's fine. So let's see here. Oh, thank goodness. When I was doing the book nook yesterday, I thought I exited out the picture. I think I got it back, but I don't think I exited out of it. I thought I did. Why? Okay. I'm just gonna exit out of that. Exit out of that. I'm gonna keep that open. Because that's my textbook from my other class. My other online class, the textbook wasn't buyable. It was only for rent, and I don't like that. If things are for rent, like for books and stuff, I would prefer it online so I wouldn't have to bring it back. They can just take it off my laptop. Because then you don't know if you're able to bring it back in time. Because you can't plan ahead 4 months in advance to bring it back. And then they ask you, can you bring it back on this day by this time? I don't know. You don't know what's gonna come up. I don't know why that's open. I am kind of a person that likes to open a bunch of tabs if it's necessary, but if it's not necessary, then why have them open? Where is it? Where'd it go? Okay, there we go. So I've already done work for week 1, which is this week, even though it kind of isn't really a week, kind of 4 days. And then I've already done work for next week, week 2, which was read and watch a video and do a discussion board. And now I'm doing work for week 3. I'm kind of accidentally getting ahead, but if there's nothing to do, then might as well. But you gotta be careful. And it said read chapter 2 for the chapter 2 quiz. I didn't read it. I just went through the chapter as I went through the quiz, which is kind of reading it, but kind of not. So I kind of cheated, but kind of didn't since I looked through the notes. I think we're supposed to get more snow today or tomorrow because it looked like it was gonna rain a little bit ago, but it just got very, very cold. So let's see here. I mean, I understand teachers are different with their own work and own methods, but what kind of teacher does a quiz 3 weeks into school? Like, how can you learn anything in 3 weeks of anything? That it just doesn't click with me. And I probably said that in yesterday's video,